Forestry is a brutal game, and only the toughest machines survive. Picture a 50-ton monster tearing through mud, hauling logs the size of trucks, and conquering the wildest terrains. What makes these beasts unstoppable? Today on TechGiantX, we unveil the giants ruling the timber industry. Let's dive in. Gisbourne's forestry success comes from perfect synergy. From fertile land to a high-powered port, every part works like a well-oiled machine. Fast-growing trees mean short, sustainable cycles, while top-tier infrastructure keeps things moving. And the port? It doesn't just ship timber, it sets the standard, ensuring Gisbourne's best reaches the world. This isn't just forestry, it's the future of the industry. That unmistakable roar, the Pacific P-16 in its element. It doesn't just haul timber, it commands the road like a lion ruling its domain. Raw power, unmatched endurance. This is the ultimate timber hauling machine. Meet the Volvo FMX 6x6, a 500 horsepower beast built for the toughest hauls. Paired with a dull, self-steering trailer, this rig doesn't just carry 15-meter logs, it maneuvers them with near-perfect precision. The trailer anticipates every turn, making tight corners look effortless. Strength, control, and pure engineering genius. This is next-level timber hauling. This isn't just a truck, it's an off-road powerhouse. Designed to tackle the toughest terrain, it moves timber with the agility of a mountain goat and the strength of a heavyweight champion. With rugged suspension, an optimized power-to-weight ratio, and an indestructible frame, it's built to dominate. Now, this is a machine with soul. The BM Victor, 1959 forwarder, reborn through the genius of Anders Åke Andersen, is more than just equipment. It's a masterpiece of grit and ingenuity. Crafted from recycled materials, it blends classic durability with custom innovation, proving that old-school engineering still has a place in modern forestry. Loading timber on rugged mountain terrain is no easy task, unless you have this beast. With a hydraulic crane delivering unmatched power and precision, and heavy-duty hooks designed to grip without damage, this system turns a tough job into pure efficiency. It's power, control, and innovation in action.
Now, out in the woods and start knocking down firewood for next year to get ready.
Stacking up on firewood now means you're winning next winter before it even starts. It's not just wood, it's time, convenience, and peace of mind. No rushing to cut and haul in the cold, just a ready-to-split pile, waiting when you need it most.
Get it down where I wanted it, but no problem. Keep it out of the dirt. And, grab onto one load at a time and spin it around and just zip. That kind of gets rid of the noise from me. But you can see, some of these logs are up to 2-foot diameter now. And, it's going to be a pretty sizable stack when it's all cut up and done.
Compact but mighty, the Volvo BM400 proves size isn't everything. At just 3,450 millimeters long and 2,900 millimeters wide, it weaves through dense forests with ease. Built for tight spaces and tough terrain, its fuel-efficient diesel engine delivers power without waste. Small frame, big performance. This machine is built to conquer the woods. Boom! One shot, and it's game over. The whole thing drops in seconds. Precision, power, and pure efficiency at work. Forest Sanitation just got effortless. This beast of a machine tackles massive, stubborn logs with the precision of a master sculptor. It cuts, adapts, and powers through every job seamlessly, turning tough work into pure efficiency. If you've never seen the TT4 in action, you don't know what true power looks like. The trailer is fully loaded, the mud is thick, and the challenge is real. Most machines would struggle, maybe even sink, but not this beast. It digs deep, grips harder, and refuses to back down. You can almost hear the metal groaning as it muscles through, turning an impossible haul into just another job well done. When nature pushes back, the TT4 pushes harder. Spending a full day in a logging truck alongside Marvin, the ace driver from DMH, feels like a front-row seat to a gritty adventure through America's wild forests with a total pro calling the shots. The Scania R580 steals the spotlight, a beastly rig packing unstoppable power and the guts to haul monster loads across the roughest backwoods. Its engine snarls like a revved-up muscle car itching to unleash hell, while its slick moves make even the gnarliest trails and twisty paths look like a Sunday drive. Wrestling a truck up a ruthless mountain road is the ultimate adrenaline rush. Every hairpin where precision meets raw power. Watching this crane effortlessly lift and load massive logs is nothing short of mesmerizing, a perfect blend of strength and engineering mastery in action. Loading those massive Sierra de Durango timbers? This beast of a machine screams speed like a NASCAR champ tearing through a lumber lot. It's all auto magic, handles the grunt work while you chill like a boss. Cuts with ninja-level precision, keeping every log flawless. Trust me, it's the game changer you need to crush tough timber hauls. Built like a tank, the Unimog 406 eats rugged terrain for breakfast without breaking a sweat. From swampy trails to killer slopes or wild forests, it's unstoppable. Deep in the Guanacevi DGO mountain range, only the toughest machines survive. This winch truck isn't just hauling logs, it's battling steep slopes, thick mud, and relentless terrain. A true display of raw power, smart engineering, and unshakable resilience. The Holtzbinder. Zillertal flexes hard with its do-it-all vibe and effortless controls. This beast tackles everything, hauling logs, stacking them tight, bundling like a pro, all while you barely lift a finger. Its killer hydraulic power delivers slick, dead-on moves, slashing crew time and boosting output like crazy. Heart-pounding freeze. Those logs' insane weight and wild momentum turn it into a real nail-biter. Keep safe, fam. Logging in southern West Virginia and southwest Virginia is as tough as it gets, but the payoff is worth it. The Appalachian terrain throws steep slopes, dense forests, and wild weather at you, testing skill and endurance. But with premium hardwoods like oak, cherry, and maple, this region remains a goldmine for forestry operations. Building that loader took extra effort, but the payoff is huge. Lifting and loading heavy logs, especially into a pickup, goes from backbreaking to effortless. And the best part? It worked flawlessly on the first try, proving just how well-designed and efficient it really is. Watching a 10-wheel truck haul timber down from Mount Fuji's second station is nothing short of impressive. The combination of sheer power and precision needed to navigate this rugged mountainous terrain is a true feat of engineering. With its high-capacity build and durable design, this truck takes on steep slopes and rough paths with confidence, ensuring that loads of thinned wood make it safely down from the forest. Transporting timber from such an extreme elevation isn't just a job, it's a challenge that only the toughest machines can handle. Pure guts and hardcore will. Seeing these loggers plow through thick mud proves their next-level skills and the beast mode power of their rigs. Rona's log truck is a legit old-school gem. Seeing it roll hits you with hardcore nostalgic vibes. These tough rigs got that timeless grit, screaming the raw, badass charm of classic logging days. Pumped-up truck battling mud with a fat stack of logs. Talk about a raw, gutsy showdown. It's wild watching these tricked-out rigs dominate insane terrains like total champs. That engine's deep roar shattering the winter stillness hits you like a call to battle, stirring your soul for the task ahead. You're forging through frozen trails, tires biting into snow, every shudder and sway of the rig pulling you deeper into the wild woods embrace. These icy roads test your heart, but reaching that clearing, timber safe and sound, floods you with a raw, victorious rush. Hauling logs through this snow-kissed realm feels like a damn dream, pure magic. The forest whispers along, alive in every mile of this soulful ride. The CBI Magnum Force 6800BT horizontal grinder isn't just powerful, it's redefining land clearing and wood waste management. With an advanced design that maximizes screening and cranks out over 200 tons per hour, it sets a new industry standard. Its offset helix rotor minimizes energy loss while delivering unmatched efficiency. This machine isn't just built for the job, it's proof of how engineering excellence can revolutionize forestry. Central Tree. The John Deere 643K ain't just gear. It's a soul-stirring game-changer in forestry's heartbeat. Picture a sprawling forest, every tree pulsing with biomass fuel dreams. This beast glides in, wielding a tender fury that turns hope into truth. It chops, trims, and stacks with a dancer's grace. Pure art in motion. It's not just cutting wood, it's carving a greener tomorrow, log by log. The 643K's raw genius ignites the wild spirit of forest innovation. Man, you can't deny this dude owned it, rocking that vest and a tie-dye shirt to shine bright like a wild star. Simply incredible. The Logset 12 HGTE hybrid isn't just a harvester, it's a powerhouse. With a 300 horsepower diesel engine teaming up with a 210 horsepower electric motor, it's like two superheroes working in perfect sync. Built for extreme durability and precision, its advanced hydraulics tackle the toughest jobs with ease. Hans Kinze made a serious power move with this investment. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in forestry. Germany's logging game just hit a whole new level. This setup is a true force in the forest. The Nisela 325H head and Palms 840 on the Jake 800 work in perfect sync, tackling timber with ease. Add the Valtra N143 Versu, and you have a machine built for maximum efficiency. It's not just about cutting logs, it's about precision, power, and seamless teamwork that turns forestry into an art. See that breathtaking vista? The ride wasn't wild thrills, but man, those trees hit the soul like a quiet storm. Man, what a stunner! This 1947 Ford 2N screams the grit of American soul forged in steel. Built to haul the heavy stuff, its beefy frame rips stumps out easy, and that timeless flathead heart pumps raw torque to crush every task. The ECOG 688 is a game-changer in forestry engineering. With its 8-wheel drive, it moves effortlessly through delicate harvest zones, reducing ground impact like a true eco-warrior. The steep Hunter configuration delivers unmatched traction and stability, making even the toughest slopes feel like a walk in the park. Packing 200 kilonewtons of tractive effort, this beast doesn't just climb. It conquers, all while keeping safety and efficiency at the forefront. It's more than machines clashing with timber. It's a soulful echo of progress dancing with the timeless roots of legacy. Hope you enjoyed watching these giants at work. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe for more incredible machines, and stay tuned. There's plenty more to come. See you next time on TechGiantX.